Good morning, standard 9 students. Today I am going to solve some more questions. 8. So, first question number 10. See here. It is given. It is given ABC given triangle. Name of the triangle is not given. And what is given? AD, BE, and CF. Altitude the triangle. So I am given AD is equal to BE is equal to CF. It is given. Then we have to prove that ABC is equilateral triangle. See, first we will take triangle BFC and in triangle BEC. These two triangles. We will prove it is congruent. See, this is 90 degree. Side opposite to 90 degree is BC. In this triangle BC, this is 90 degree. Side opposite to 90 degree is BC. This is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is common in both the triangle. Common. Right? And one side already given B is equal to CL. It is given. Hence, so triangle BCF congruent to triangle BCE by RHS. Hypotenuse of one sides are equal, so it is congruent by RHS. When congruent, then FBC will be equal to angle BC by CBC. Corresponding side and corresponding angle will be equal. So this angle and this angle is equal. Now come to this triangle ABC, angle B and angle C. We have proved it is equal. It means opposite to B in ABC AC and opposite to angle C in ABC is AB. This will be also equal. Hence, AB is equal to AC. Say it first. Right. Second time. Second time, we will take triangle ADB and triangle BCF. This triangle and this triangle. Angle B is equal to angle B, common in both. It is common, just we have to. It is equal. Angle BFC is equal to angle ADB 90 degree. Both are at it. So this is also 90. 8. And AD is equal to CL given. So these two triangles also congruent. Triangle ADB congruent to triangle BCF by AAS. When congruent, then we come to know what? AB is equal to BC. Let it be second. Right? So from first and second, what we conclude? We conclude that AB equal to AC and it is also equal to BC. So all three sides are equal. Hence it is equilateral triangle. And all other questions hints is already given in your book. Right? The next exercise that is based on the property of the triangle. So one more question, 14a. See this one. This is given a square and this is given equilateral triangle A, B, C, D. This one and this one. Then we have to prove that first. What? Prove that triangle ADF congruent to triangle BEC. And second part, prove that D is equal to C. Or we have to prove that triangle DEC is isosceles triangle. Right. So what do we do? First, since it is a square, the square of angle is 90 degree, and AEB is equilateral triangle. Each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. 8. Now AD will be equal to AY because one of the side AB is the side of a square as well as the equilateral triangle. And a square also equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Take an example. Suppose AB 5 cm, then BC also 5, CD also 5, AD also 5, and AE also 5 cm. Because these sides are equal. Hence, same case here. This is 90, this is 60. Right? So, and this side equal to this side. So, side angle and total angle 150. This is also 150 degree. So side angle side, these two triangles are congruent. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Right. Now we have to show that this is isosceles triangle. Which one? DEC. It is isosceles, huh? See, out of the three angles of a triangle, one angle is 115 degree. And this side and this sides are equal. It means this is isosceles triangle, this is also isosceles triangle. Then the remaining angle out of one angle is 150, so remaining angle is 30 degree. 30 degree will be divided into two parts, 15 degree and 15 degree. This is 15 degree, this is also 15 degree. So what is the magnitude of this angle? Because this total angle is 90 degree. So 90 minus 15, 75. This is also 75 degree. So see here in this triangle, two angles are equal, then their opposite side will be equal. So hence it is also DEC is an isosceles triangle. Right, clear? So remaining question you will solve the next part of the question exercise of this chapter 8 based on the property of a triangle. Hey. So today you will complete this one chapter. Two questions I have solved. One was the lengthy one. This one. Right. Okay. Thank you very much.